Oh, yo, what's up, guys? This is your boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video where I'm gonna show you guys on how to start making money as soon as possible. Today I'm coming with a brand new website. It's called proofreadingservices.com. So I'm going to show you on step by step on how you can use this proofreadingservice.com to start making money online as soon as possible. As you know, guys, my name is Dennis. I always work full-time online. I also have a job that I used to make, but mostly I make my money online. That's what I do. So without wasting much time, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend as well who are interested on making money. So let's get started. So what is proofreading services? Proofreading services is it's a website or it's a software which it allows you to work online. There's a lot of jobs here online. As you can see, the easiest way to get the proofreading, editing, and the translation. It's also, once you join over 10,000 clients who rely on them quality service 24/7. So it's trusted, this website. I have tested it and it works. So as you can see, who are they? They are an award-winning team of professional editors and proofreaders that supports 10,000 clients and plus hundreds countries all over the world. So what they do is you're gonna get a job of proofreading, translation, publishing services, resumes, and cover letters. There's a lot of things. So for the sake of this video, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go straight to down here where it says careers. So here in careers, we're gonna find jobs online. So what you have to do is you're gonna press here. Once you press here, actually it's going to take you somewhere here where it's a career option with the professional living services. What you have to do here, there's two options. There's online professional leading jobs, and also there's online ESL tutorial jobs. So you have to choose what is your career, what is your profession. For the sake of this video, since we said we're gonna go to the online proofreading jobs, you just click here. Once you click, it's going to take you straight here. So once you are here, what you have to do is you go straight where it said apply to be an online proofreader. Once you have done everything, then you're gonna start making money online. In this website, if you read correct, let's go here. Once you read here, it said here are some of the benefits of working for proofreadingservices.com. Number one is a competitive pay ranging from USD. They're paying only using US dollars. You can earn up to 19 to 46 US dollars per hour, depending on the turnaround time, with the highest pay for the most urgent deadlines. And also it is a flexible hours, which is work when you want, right from your living room in any time zone. So this is what I like about online jobs or making money online. You have full-time. You decide on yourself what to do. So you don't have to wait. You don't have to rush. It's up to you whether you want to work or not, whether you want to relax. This is why I like online network. So it's also said British colleges, which is connect with some of the world's top English profession. All this is what you're gonna get. And also saying with that, obviously you have to, if you're interested in becoming a professional leader for professionalleadingservices.com, please complete the 20-minute print test below. You have to do, you're gonna go here where it say apply to become a professional leader. Once you've done that, you are good to go. So this is what I prepared for you guys. Also, this website number 2, it's called Upwork.com. I hope everyone knows about this. It's not new. This has been operating for a while right now. So you can go also here to Upwork.com and also find what is your career inside here. There's a lot of things here. There's development and IT, there's design and creative, there's sales and marketing, there's writing and translation, also admin and customer support, and also finance and accounting. So you can choose what your professional inside here. To do that, what you have to do is to go straight with say find a work. You click here and you're gonna choose what is your career or what is your professional. So you just come here and say find work for your skills. You just press. Once you press, it's going to bring you somewhere here. Here is where you're going to choose what is your career. There's a lot of things. As you can see, type of work you're going to choose. There's development and IT, there's design and creative, there's finance and accounting, there's admin and customer service, engineering and legal and sales and marketing, and also writing and translation. I think this can help most of South Africans and most of the people who are living all over the world. That's the goodness of this website, because you can work all over the world. It's not only for South Africans, but since I'm living in South Africa here, so I have to help my fellow South Africans. So you can go through and follow all the steps. Since I didn't show you on how to create an account, but you can go through. It's not difficult, but if you are facing any challenge, please let me know down in the comment. I'll be able to assist you for every step that you're gonna go around. And also, if you are interested in making money online, to do what I do every day or always, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, that it will show you the roadmap on how to start making money online. As you know, I do affiliate marketing, so there is a course that is going to take you step by step, that it helps me to start online marketing from zero to up to now, so I'm going to leave the link in the description. If you are the one who is interested in making that, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. You work online, you work whatever you want, you work whenever you sleep. So this is what we do, and this is my career, and this is what I'm going to do always. I'm not depending on my job. I depend on online marketing. So this is it, guys. If you enjoy this video, because this is what I prepared for you, if you enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, like and share with your friend who are interested in making money online. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.